This edition of MacVoices is sponsored by lynda.com, the unparalleled online video training library. For a free 10-day unlimited trial, visit lynda.com/MacVoices. Hi, I'm Chuck Joyner. This is MacVoices at NAB and ShowStoppers in Las Vegas. I'm in the QNAP booth talking to James about their latest release. James, good to see you.
Hey, good to see you.
So what are we looking at this time around?
So we're looking at our newest NAS solution. It's actually also a DAS solution as well. So we're actually very excited to actually make this announcement that our NAS actually supports Thunderbolt now. So what this means is that customer could actually directly connect the NAS to the Mac or PC using Thunderbolt. So they actually could transfer their file in a faster transfer rate over to the NAS. And while being transferred over to the NAS, they also collaboratively work with their other teams through the network. So they could actually download it through the network, either on a local network or even on the cloud as well.
So this is basically a dual interface box, Thunderbolt for speed, NAS for convenience.
Exactly. So we definitely could help increase productivity and make it become more efficient while working with the NAS storage.
What kind of configurations does this come in?
So this will be available, we're going to have an i3 processor unit and also an i7 processor. It's going to be available, I believe, in 4 and 8 bays.
So I want to be real clear on this. So this is not something I integrate with a third-party NAS. This is all wrapped in one box that QNAP makes.
Correct. So everything is all in one box. We have our own OS right directly off the box. And another cool feature about a QNAP is that we actually also have something called virtualization station. So this actually enables customers to actually install OS on top of another OS like Windows, Linux, or even Android on top of the QNAPs. So it actually becomes an application server as well, so that you actually can run multiple applications while it's also being a storage.
I said a second ago that this is a dual interface box. Can I use both interfaces at the same time?
Yeah, it's both for Windows and Mac.
No, but I mean the NAS part as well as the Thunderbolt. I don't.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yes, correct. Yeah. So you could do it at the same time. So while we were touring using a Thunderbolt, someone could also access it as a NAS.
Perfect. It's very nice looking box. Great idea. What kind of pricing do we expect there to be?
You guys actually, this actually will be released in June. We don't have a rough ballpark in terms of price yet, but it will be releasing out in June.
And where do we send folks to learn more about it?
You could visit www.qnap.com.
James, thanks so much for the time.
Hey, thank you for stopping by.
Folks, we'll have more from NAB and Showstoppers in Las Vegas. I'm Chuck Joyner. This is MacVoices. Visit MacVoices.com for links, show notes, to subscribe, to connect with Chuck on Twitter, Google+, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and the MacVoices blog. Subscribe to our weekly newsletter, the MacVoices Dispatch, to stay up to date on all the latest MacVoices news from our front page or at macvoices.com/newsletter. Do more with your Apple tech by subscribing to the free MacVoices magazine on Flipboard by visiting macvoices.com/magazine. Advertising and sponsorships handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CacheFly at cachefly.com.